In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Slack user group. If you work with teams, projects, or departments, user groups are a simple way to reach the right people fast. When you mention a group handle, everyone in that group gets notified, and when you set default channels, members are automatically added to the places where conversations happen. Let's walk through it together. First, open Slack and make sure you're on the Home tab. This is the main view where you see your channels and messages. From the left pane, click on Directories. This section helps you find people and groups across your workspace. Inside the directory, move over to the User Groups tab. Here, you'll see a list of existing user groups in your workspace. It's helpful to scan what already exists, so you avoid duplicates and keep your naming consistent. Next, select Create User Group. This is where you'll set the foundation. Start by giving your group a clear, descriptive name, something that makes sense to anyone who might find it later. Then add the group handle. The handle is what people will type with the @ sign to mention the entire group, so keep it short, readable, and aligned with your team's naming style. Optionally, add the purpose. This is a brief description that explains who the group is for and when to use it. A clear purpose makes it easier for coworkers to understand the group at a glance and helps maintain healthy notification habits. You can also choose channels that this group will be added to automatically. Pick the channels where the group needs to stay in the loop: project rooms, department hubs, or key announcement spaces. Setting this now saves time and ensures no one misses important discussions. Finally, start adding members. Search for teammates by name and include everyone who should receive mentions to this group. If you're unsure about someone, you can always update the group later. Keep in mind that some workspaces limit who can create or manage user groups, so if you don't see the option, check with your admin. That's it. You've created a Slack user group that's easy to mention, clear in purpose, and connected to the right channels. As your team evolves, you can return to the User Groups tab to adjust the name, handle, purpose, channels, or membership. Use the handle thoughtfully to notify people only when it matters, and your group will become a reliable tool for fast, focused communication.